Hello friends, I am Dr. Jyoti Singh. Welcome to my channel ZK Hunt. Friend, today I have brought some most important international organization and their details. Part 2. Let's start. G24 Group of 24 is the headquarters Washington DC, USA. Its current head Julio Willard. In 2020 it was chaired by Julio Willard, Ghana. It was founded on 1971. Its members are 28 countries plus China as a special invitee. Any members from G77 can also join and discuss. Its purpose is to coordinate the positions of developing countries on international monetary and development finance issues. WADA, full form World Anti-Doping Agency, is the headquarters Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Its current president Vitol Bank. It was founded on 10 November 1999. Its purpose is monitoring World Anti-Doping Code to prevent doping in sports or athletics. Next, OIC, full form Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Its headquarters Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Its current Secretary General Yusuf bin Ahmad Al Dalo Taimi. It was founded on 25th September 1969. Its purpose is to preserve Islamic social and economic values, promote solidarity amongst member states, and increase cooperation in areas of development. Next, OECD, it's a full form Organization for Economic Cooperation Development. Its headquarters Paris, France. Its current Secretary General Angel Gurria. It was formed on 38 September 1961. Its members are 37 states. Its purpose is to stimulate countries' economic growth and world trade by raising the standard of living in member countries and by coordinating aid to less developed countries. Next, OPEC, it's a full form Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Its headquarters Vienna, Austria. Its current Secretary General Mohammed Barkindo. It was founded on 14 September 1960. Its members are 13 countries. Its purpose is to unify the petroleum policies of its member countries and ensure the stabilization of oil market to secure regular supply of petroleum to consumers, a steady income to producers, and a fair return on capital for those investing in the petroleum industry. NDB, full form New Development Bank. Its headquarters Shanghai, China. Its current president Marcos Troy-Ho. It was founded on 15 July 2014. Its members are 5, all member countries of BRICS. Its purpose is to contribute in development plans established nationally through projects that are socially, environmentally, and economically sustainable. Next, IATA, full form the International Air Transport Association. Its headquarters Montreal, Canada. Its current Director General and CEO Alexander de Juniac. It was founded on 19th April 1945. Its members are 290 airlines in 120 countries. Its purpose to promote safe, regular, and economical air transport and to provide a forum for collaboration. Next, Interpol. It's a full form International Criminal Police Organization. Its headquarters Lyon, France. Its current Secretary General Jürgen Stock. Its the current President Kim Jong-yang. It was founded on 7 September 1923. Its members are 194 countries. Its motto is connecting police for a safer world. Next, IBRD. It's a full form International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. It's a headquarter Washington DC, USA. It's a current president David Malpass. It was founded on 1944. Its members 189 countries. Its purpose is development assistance and poverty reduction. Next, ICSID. It's a full form International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes. It's a headquarter Washington DC, USA. Its current head McNair. It was founded on 14th October 1966. Its members total 163 countries signatory and contracting states and 154 countries contracting states. Its purpose is international arbitration. Next, MIGA, full form Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. Its headquarters Washington DC, USA. Its executive vice president Hiroshi Mitano. It was founded on 1988. Its members are 181 countries. Its purpose is political risk insurance and credit enhancement guarantee. Next, WIPO, full form World Intellectual Property Organization. Its headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Its current head Francis Gurry. It was founded on 14 July 1967. Its purpose is to promote the protection of intellectual property throughout the world. Next, IAEA. It's a full form International Atomic Energy Agency. Its headquarters Vienna, Austria. Its current Director General Rafael Mariano Grossi. It was founded on 29 July 1957. Its members are 171 countries. Its purpose is to promote peaceful energy uses of atomic energy. Next, ICJ, full form International Court of Justice. Its headquarters The Hague, Netherlands. Its current president Abdul Kavi Yusuf. It was founded on 26 June 1945. Its a number of judges 15, elected by UN General Assembly and Security Council. Its function is to settle legal disputes submitted by countries in accordance with international law and to give advisory opinions on legal questions referred to it by authorized UN organs. Commonwealth of Nations. Its headquarters London, UK. Its current head Queen Elizabeth II. It was founded in 1949 by London Declaration. Its members are 54 countries. Its purpose to advance economic, social development and human rights in member countries. Next, APEC. It's a full form Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. It's a headquarters Queenstown, Singapore. It's the chairperson Mahidin Yasmin. It's the executive director Rebecca Fatmasta Maria. It was founded on November 1989. Its members are 21 countries of Asia Pacific region. Its purpose is to sustain the growth and development of the region and to strengthen the Asia Pacific community.